some ways we are evil.
In some ways we are evil.
O God, help us to see it and amend.
Help us to see it and amend.
In some ways we are good.
In some ways we are good.
Help us to be better.
Help us to be better.
Recreate us in the soul of service.
Recreate in us the soul of service.
The spirit of peace.
The spirit of peace.
Renew in us.
Renew in us.
The sense of joy.
The sense of joy.
The sense of power of good.
The sense of power of good. Now I request my friend Ashmita to tell the sloka and its meaning.
Good morning everyone. My name is B. Sastra Ashmita from 6D and I am here to recite a sloka from Bhagavad Gita. Yada samharate chayam kurmoganiva sarvashah indriyanindriyadhebhyah stasta prajna pratishtita. The meaning of this sloka is, whenever a tortoise senses danger, he withdraws his limbs into the shell. The shell is strong enough to withstand any adverse situation, and once the situation passes, he brings his limbs back into the world. Similarly, if we deduct that an object, person or situation is about to disturb our equanimity, Lord Krishna advises us to bring our intelligence into the picture and completely withdraw our attention from the person, object or situation. Thank you.
Now I request Dharnika to administrate the pledge. I request everyone to stretch their right arm forward and repeat the pledge after me. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are mine. All Indians are mine. Brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Proud of it. Rich and very heritage. Rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. Worthy of it. I shall give my parents. Teachers. And all elders. Respect. And treat everyone with courtesy. To my country. And my people. I pledge my devotion. In their well-being. And prosperity alone. Lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you, Dharnika. Now I request Ashik to tell the thought and Maya to tell its meaning. When you know better, you do better. It means that people often make mistakes because they don't know the right way to do something. Once they understand, they know better. They can change their actions so they do better. Thank you. Thank you, Ashmita Dayana. Now I request Neeraj to tell the topic. I'm glad to be here with you all today, and now let's start. We have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day as the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Chacha Nehru was born on 14th November in Ahmedabad in 1889 and a self-made wealthy barrister who belonged to the Kashmiri Pandit community. Served twice as President of Indian National Congress in 1919 and 1928. Chacha Nehru was the eldest of 3 children. He was called Chacha Nehru because of his love and affection for children. Once Chacha Nehru said that children of today will make India of tomorrow better. Now I convey warmest wishes on Children's Day to all.
On the occasion of Children's Day, some of my friends are going to sing a song.
పిల్లలు దేవుడు చల్లని వాడే కళ్ళ కపట మెరుగని కరుణా గొప్పవారు చెప్పినట్టి చక్కని జ్ఞానం తప్పులు మన్నించుటే దేవుని సుగుణం. ఇది గొప్పవారు చెప్పినట్టి చక్కని జ్ఞానం. పిల్లలు దేవుడు చల్లని వారే, కళ్ళ కపట మెరుగని కరుణామయుడే. పుట్టినప్పుడు మనిషి మనసు తెరచి ఉండును, పుట్టినప్పుడు మనిషి మనసు తెరచి ఉండును. ఆ పురిటి కన్ను మనసులో దైవం ఉండును, ఆ పురిటి కన్ను మనసులో దైవం ఉండును. వయసు పెరిగి ఈసు పెరిగి మతము పెంచితే, వయసు పెరిగి ఈసు పెరిగి మతము పెంచితే, అంత మనిషిలోని దేవుడే మాయమౌలే, అంత మనిషిలోని దేవుడే మాయమౌలే. పిల్లలు దేవుడు చల్లని వారే, కళ్ళ కపట మెరుగని కరుణామయుడే.
Thank you, friends, for your melodious song.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am T. Divya Shanmukhi of class 6D. First, let me introduce my team members. Dhanush Chandra, Bhashini, Praneet Kumar Das, Estanish, Nirza, and me. On behalf of our class, I welcome you all for Children's Day celebrations. We are so blessed that we got a chance to showcase our country's cultural glory. Dance allows you to express your emotions and thoughts without having to speak. We are fortunate to have this opportunity to perform in today's event. We are going to perform dance for song Balalamu Memu. So get ready for a tornado of joy and excitement. Thank you.
Thank you, Divya, and my dear friends.
Now I request our friend to ask some GK questions.
Good morning everyone, my name is Praneet from class 6D and I am here to ask you some GK questions. When was Jawaharlal Nehru born? The correct answer is November 14, 1889. Educated in England at Harrow and Cambridge, What occupation did he qualify for? The correct answer is lawyer. Nehru became friend with Mahatma Gandhi and joined which committee? The correct answer is Indian Congress Committee. Where did Jawaharlal Nehru complete his studies? The correct answer is London. When did Jawaharlal Nehru become friend with Mahatma Gandhi? The correct answer is 1916. On which important issue did Nehru and Gandhi differ? The correct answer is the future of India as Argentina society. In which place Jawaharlal Nehru organized the first Kisan March? Pratapgarh.
Thank you, R. Praneeth.
Request Adarapu Bhargavi to read the headlines of the day.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal sir, teachers, students, and my dear friends. I, E. Bhargavi of class 6D, going to present the news. Let us start with international news. WHO approved Covaxin as the most successful and safe vaccine for fighting against COVID-19 and its other variants. National news. A sub-inspector from Tamil Nadu got a big appreciation from everyone as she rescued an unconscious man from the burial ground. She carried him on her arms and took him to hospital. State news. Depression in Bay of Bengal causing heavy rain in Nellore, Chittoor, Kadapa and Visakhapatnam districts. Sports news. Today, Australia and New Zealand bat out in final of T20 World Cup up to become the new world champion. Maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Thank you, Adarapu Bhargavi.
This is the end of our assembly. I am Neeraja Gunreddy signing off.